Did you know that with ABB Ability Cybersecurity Workplace, users now have the ability to fine-tune KPI results to meet the needs of their unique environments? We'll demonstrate this today by taking a closer look at the status of the malware protection on our system. Notice that we currently have 13 nodes with issues in our system. In this demonstration, we'll take a closer look at the malware protection definition file KPI currently in error. As we dive deeper into the specific KPI results, we get a listing of our various nodes, and we see that these nodes are currently in an error state. Now, as we investigate further, we see that they do have a DAT file deployed. However, the DAT file creation date does differ from the comparison date. If we go to the details of this specific KPI, we see that this could reach an error state if the DAT file is more than 5 days old, which the DAT files in question are. But what if our cybersecurity policy deviates from these recommendations? Well, that's where we can use Cybersecurity Workplace KPI Manager to fine-tune these KPI results to meet the specific needs of our system. Simply navigate to Settings, then KPI Profiles to get to our KPI management interface. Once there, click Add Profile, where you'll be prompted to provide a name for the specific profile that you want to create. Once the KPI profile is properly named, we can then go through and navigate through the KPI structure to malware protection, client KPIs, and find that DAT file KPI in question. Once here, we can modify this accordingly. For this demonstration, we'll change this to a 14-day age limit and then click Add. Once we've done so, we should see this new KPI profile listed under the editor. If we expand out, we could also see the changes that have been made in this profile. We then navigate to Device Assignment and click Add Assignment. Here you'll see the list of profiles where we'll select our newly created profile, and then we'll go ahead and add the various 800XA nodes to this specific profile, meaning that any of these nodes linked to this profile now inherit these custom KPI settings. You can see that we have our node listing here, along with the profile assigned to it. Now, once a new data collection has been taken from our malware protection data source, we can look in our security overview and see that the nodes with issue status has been updated for malware protection. As we dive deeper into the DAT file KPI specifically, we see that the 800XA nodes that we had modified are now in a green and passed state. The device status and result has been updated accordingly. However, we see that the DAT file itself, as well as the creation date and comparison date, have not been modified. We also see that our newly created profile is clearly represented in the table. This process can be used to modify any existing security KPIs to better align with your cybersecurity maintenance processes or your corporate policies.